Huizhou Jerrzi Electronic Technology Company Limited, founded in July 2021, covers an area of 11,000 square meters, located in Huizhou City, Yuanzhou Town, South Industrial Zone. It is a technology company specializing in the production of mechanical keyboard switches and computer peripheral. Jerrzi has domestic advanced production equipment and excellent professional R&D production technicians. There are 30 senior management engineers and professional technicians, 130 employees, 90 sets of automated production equipment, 40 sets of automated testing equipment, a laboratory, 30 sets of professional laboratory equipment, with an annual capacity of over 800 million mechanical keyboard switches. Jerrzi is committed to providing quality products and services. The production of mechanical keyboard switches are widely acclaimed by customers and have been awarded the title of quality supplier for consecutive years. Since its establishment, Jerrzi has advanced together with numerous renowned brands to jointly explore the market. Its main customers including Cherry, Royal Clutch, KZ, Lang2, Elrand, VV Hunter, Bat Knight, JD James Zhao, Magic Refiner, iGo, Rapu, Jam Rise, Folder, etc. Its main products include 3 categories of common switch: semi-customized switch, customized switch, along with related products such as switch connectors, etc. Its Poseidon switch, Honey Bean switch, and Seashell switch have gained wide recognition in the field of keyboard industry and are favored by many keyboard enthusiasts. In 2024, Jerrzi graced the prestigious platforms of Shanghai China Joy and Hong Kong Global Sources exhibitions, Taipei Computex, consistently pioneering and refining its offerings. With a steadfast commitment to excellence, Jerrzi endeavors to craft switches that not only resonate with the diverse needs of the masses, but also exceed the expectations of our clients, agilely navigating the dynamic and evolving landscapes of the marketplace. Over the years, Jerrzi has never slacked in its pursuit of quality, whether it is a new mode or upgraded factory lubrication solution. It adheres to the principle of treating users as gods and quality as life, and fulfills its commitment to quality as the foundation, service creating excellence, striving to build an innovative and service-integrated professional team. With the best products, services, and reputation, Huizhou Jerrzi Electronic Technology Company Limited sincerely looks forward to collaborating with you.